But now we have the next attack in, and this one is going to be a hybrid combination between of Inferno Dragons and Dragon Riders. We're seeing so many different dragon combinations like Inferno Dragons, Dragon Riders, Dragons and Dragon Riders, sometimes Inferno Dragons and Dragon Riders. There is so many different possibilities which you can go for at the moment with like Dragon troops. So let's see if this combination is worth it and can make some work.
Yeah, let's see if there might be a Lava Hound inside that CC member. It won't get lured out unless there's ground stuff that comes out of the clan castle. No, he does have some super mini rages. Freeze combination. Town Hall goes down. Warden did that early classic Warden ability. Usually when you send your dragons into the beginning of a base like that with Infernos or even maybe like E-Dragons. But the King and Queen, they're going to walk their way towards this Eagle. He's hanging on this World Champion, and we got 3 more skeleton spells to deploy.
Yeah, and as long as he can take down the core, this would be great value, because in the core typically, or around the core, there are the X-Bows, and those X-Bows are doing the most damage against heroes. If you can take those down, the Royal Champion is having a really easy day just to get through the back end. And another important thing is to keep an eye on the health bar of the Yak, because the Yak can open up so many wards for the back end, for the Queen and the King. And so far it looks like both can easily leave the base again. And there's the Royal Champion. And there's not too much base left.
Got a scatter shot. As long as you can keep this RC protected by distracting these defenses. Oh, hang on here. The Unicorn and the King, the Queen, all the heroes are actually still alive. His air defense should be going down pretty quick once the Queen locks on. Air Skellies pop. But with all these spells left, this is looking like another 3-star in this war. The answer, unbelievable.
That was a really, really cool attack. Like, he's having still a lot of spells left. He could swag probably those 2 freezes if he wants to. The Royal Champion ability is still not even used. The Queen ability is not even used. Is he going to use that for time? That's the big question. Yeah. As we said, it's really important, especially with both teams being all tied up. And now there's the Royal Champion ability. It seems like he's not going to use the Queen ability. And as we said...
he does.
Okay, there we go. Really late, so I don't think it's going to be a huge difference in time. But as we said, with the match being so...